welcome to you. My name's Dayle and this is Dayle's Addiction. Welcome to February's subscriber collaboration unboxing video. This month we have a lot of treasure. We have Hermes, Dior, we have Fendi, we have Louis Vuitton, no Chanel this month, and quite a bit of Fendi, quite a bit of Hermes actually. So some beautiful pieces, thanks to everyone who contributed. Thanks to all of you who put yourself out there, who record the video, who figure out how tricky it is to take these videos. I have got a picture, and I hope Sarah won't mind me sharing this, of her video set up, and so many people say it is a lot harder than it looks to just film a little clip. I can do all the editing for you, and if you're interested in submitting your unboxing reveal or mod shots of your subscriber unboxing, then for next month just send it to me. I will link the video below with all the instructions and I can edit it for you, so there's no stress there. But I do think it's funny that people kind of try and perfect it and then listen back to it and can hear themselves breathing and puffing and panting. There's a lot of concentration that goes into this. So I will be quiet, and without further ado, this time I have done voiceovers because that was a suggestion from last month. So let me know what you think of my voiceovers. I'll see you at the end. Enjoy. Here we have Corinne's new to her beautiful Hermes Kelly in Cellier in Epsom leather with gold hardware in the colour Rouge Cassac. Corinne purchased this beautiful bag pre-loved to celebrate a very special occasion, and if you'd like to know more about it, go and check out her YouTube channel. I will link it in the description box below. Congratulations, Corinne. I love the beautiful blue-red hues of this bag. I think it's a great choice. April's House of Flair has been busy with some beautiful pre-loved finds. First of all, she has this Gucci King Snake camera bag from 2017. Next, she has a Loewe Amazona 23 calf hair. How fabulous. I think she really likes this one. And then finally, she has a Loewe Amazona 19 in Lagoon Blue. I think Connor would love this blue too. Congratulations, April. Fabulous. Here we have a Louis Vuitton unboxing by the fabulous Sarah from Yorkshire. Sarah helped me source my amazing Fendi Peekaboo in the violet or lilac colour, and I'll be eternally grateful to her for that. This is her second luxury handbag, her second Louis Vuitton handbag, and it is her second pochette matisse. Her first one is in monogram, this one is in the black impronte leather, and it's just a style that really works for her. So congratulations, Sarah, enjoy your new bag. This Hermes Kelly Desord is owned by Missy Is Living. It's in the colour Rouge Piment, and she picked it up in Jakarta. She waited almost a year for this bag. Congratulations! Hey Jean, thanks for contributing to this month's video.
Hey Dayle, I just want to say thank you so much for doing this. It has been so fun seeing what everyone has been buying, and I'm really excited to be part of it this month. I did pick up a little something from Louis Vuitton that I've been stalking on the website for several months. Finally became available, so I picked up the Kirigami pochette. For me, this is the best value for money of any Louis Vuitton SLGs. You get this large pouch that doubles as a crossbody or clutch with a beautiful pink lining. Inside, you have a medium pouch with a gorgeous red lining. Then you still have a tiny pouch with a beautiful burgundy lining. I absolutely love this set. I think it's beautiful. It's so functional. Best value for money, SLG, Louis Vuitton, hands down.
This Fendi beauty belongs to Liv from Rockhampton in Queensland, Australia. Liv bought this beautiful jacquard embroidered baby pink Fendi baguette with the amazing laser cut baguette strap. Liv got in touch with me. I passed her on my sales associate's details. Thank you, Bibi, for hooking Liv up with this absolutely gorgeous baguette. Congratulations, Liv, and you're about to enter the rabbit hole of Fendi. This is Margaret's Yayoi Kusama collaboration with Louis Vuitton. Margaret has contributed to each of my monthly subscriber unboxings since they started. It's fair to say that she has succumbed to this luxury addiction. I think she might have given us a hint in last month's unboxing what this might be. It is a new bandeau from Louis Vuitton for her Speedy, I am going to suggest. And if you missed her last unboxing, go and check it out. Now, Margaret has been very busy and she's also picked up a steal from the Real. This beautiful vintage Fendi baguette is just glorious. Look at the golden sheen. Look at that hardware. Isn't that amazing? What an absolute find. Congratulations, Margaret. You have an eye for the good stuff. Thank you to Donna from Sydney, Australia for sharing this gorgeous Fendi classic. She has a beautiful Napa leather mini baguette in black. You can do so much with this bag. It's an absolute classic. I highly recommend this as a first Fendi purchase.
Hi Dayle! Today I have a vintage Fendi unboxing for you.
Wow, congratulations Sandra from Bavaria, Germany. This one is divine. I bet you a lot of people would love this bag.
It's my first ever Louis Vuitton purchase.
Congratulations Rosa from the United States on your Louis Vuitton. Let's wait for the reveal. It's the double zip pochette in monogram. What a great all-rounder. Now this Fendi beauty is from LUXE, and LUXE is not alone in loving this piece because I might just have it in my collection as well. And I'm aware of another subscriber of mine who's also recently purchased this gorgeous bag. This is Fendi First in the small in blush pink mink. I think it's perfection. And look at the interior. So gorgeous. Congratulations, LUXE. It's beautiful. And we have something else hiding in the box. It is the gold O-lock chain, which is an absolute must-have in my opinion. If you've got any Fendi bags, it goes with everything. This one comes from Tonya Billings in Memphis, Tennessee. She has submitted quite a few to the subscriber collabs over the last few months. Tonya's blaming me for this gorgeous pink dahlia celeria regular baguette because she saw it in my Sydney vlog with Connor. This is the new season pink, and this colour it isn't doing it justice. You've got to see this in person, people, especially if you love pink. Congratulations, Tonya. Splendid Fendi pink and purple haul is from Harlow's Auntie from Thousand Oaks in California. First of all, we have the beautiful phone baguette in silk blush. How stunning. Then we have the Napa leather baguette in the colour of Cruise 23, the beautiful purple hue. And then finally we have the medium Fendi First in lamb in light rose with soft gold hardware. What a gorgeous trio of bags, and even your nail polish matches. How fabulous. Oops.
Hi Dayle from Toronto, Canada. unboxing my new purchase. My new Odeon MM.
Congratulations, Christine! Now this gorgeous Purple Rain Fendi sequin baguette belongs to Susan. Susan and I chat often and she absolutely hates my dad's sandals. Congratulations, Susan! Now this Dior beauty comes from Gorgeous09. That's her handle on YouTube, and it's so good to see what you guys are purchasing. She has picked up the Dior saddle in taupe, and she is based in Virginia, USA. The colour of this bag is beautiful and has potentially changed my mind about the Dior saddle. I'm not usually one for neutrals, and I'm not usually one for the saddle, but this one, I don't know. I think it's beautiful. Congratulations. Here we have another multi-entrant into the monthly subscriber collaboration. This fabulous woman from Singapore has purchased the Loewe Kusama Louis Vuitton Loewe earrings. Very, very beautiful. And what's in the big box? Let's have a look. Oh, it's more Loewe Kusama. I wonder which piece she picked. Aha! It's the Alma BB in the black and white with that cool little pumpkin charm. Congratulations, this is a really edgy and cool piece.
Okay, LV Coussin in glacier blue, Valentino sneakers, white coat from Harris Wolf London, and leggings from Amazon.
So I went a little Fendi crazy these last 2 months, and I had to like group it all into one. It is a total Dayle and Meredith moment. I do not normally shop like this, but I do not know what's going on with me. I can't stop. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this first one is from the 25th anniversary collection. However, it's not one of the re-editions, and I got it when I was in Vegas. I don't have a Fendi store around me, so I went, like I said, a little crazy, but it's Baguette Central. This whole haul is Baguette Central, but I absolutely love it, and they just did another version of it on the new runway, so that makes it fun, but I like the satin and the, sloppy version of this. I also got the Baguette book in Vegas, and the, it's not a Twilly, but I can't remember what it's called. Anyway, the Wrappy, that doesn't sound right either, from the 25th anniversary, because it kind of shows everything that was included without me having to buy every bag, And then last but not least, this is actually pre-loved, but I couldn't stop and not share it because I love it so much. I've added my own straps to it, but is the Carl Collage baguette that I'm absolutely obsessed with from the men's collection from, I think it was like 2019. But that was my haul from the last 2 months, and I am on Ban Island.
Thanks to everybody who shared their treasures with us. What an absolute delight just to see all the beauties. I hope there was some inspiration there for you. Let us know in the comments what really took your eye, which were your favorites, what were you surprised by, and yeah, as I said, think about submitting your reveal for next month. You can submit them to me at any time on Instagram. Follow me over there at Dayles_addiction. Send me a DM and we'll include you in the March video. So until then, I will catch you next time. Bye.